Hello guys, in this video I am going to make a short description about the anion gap. In metabolic acidosis, you need to discuss about the anion gap. In the equation for anion gap is we reduce the sodium concentration from the chloride concentration by carbon concentration. The normal value is 12. And here we are looking for the unmeasured anions and other acids which leads to acidosis. There are two types. One is the normal anion gap metabolic acidosis. Another one is the high anion gap metabolic acidosis. The mnemonic for the normal anion gap metabolic acidosis is use CARP. Here you can see the causative etiologies, and in high anion gap we use left totally replacement as a mnemonic. It means the lactase, toxins, ketones, and renal causes. And the next mnemonic is cat mud piles. Here you can see the etiologies for the high anion gap metabolic acidosis. And if there's a low or negative anion gap, it is caused by reduced unmeasured anions such as reduction of albumin and dilution, and increase unmeasured cations such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, lithium, and paraproteinemia. So this is very brief description, and I will make a very lengthy and very detailed video in near future. Thank you for the viewing my video and subscribe for channel. Thanks.